With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that an example of an acid salt is dash CH3COONA, NaNO3, Na2HPO4, NaKCO3. So in this question, we have to give an example of acid salt and four options are given. So basically if we talk about acid salt are formed by the incomplete replacement of the hydrogen atom of an acid. So acid salt is formed by the incomplete replacement of the hydrogen of an acid. So from the given options, if we talk about CH3COONA, this is sodium acetate. So in this example, sodium acetate, it is basically a basic salt because it is formed by the neutralization of weak acid and strong base. So it is a basic salt, and it does not follows the criteria of acid salt, in which there should be incomplete replacement of the hydrogen of an acid. But in acetic acid there is only one hydrogen atom which is replaced by sodium in sodium acetate. Now if we talk about NaNO3, now this is basically a neutral salt. It is a neutral salt. Then we have Na2HPO4. Right. Now we know that H3PO4 is phosphoric acid. It is an acid. So in this acid, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two sodium atoms. So there is basically incomplete replacement of hydrogen of this phosphoric acid. So Na2HPO4, which is disodium hydrogen phosphate, it will be an acidic salt, or we can say it is acid salt. Right. Then we have NaKCO3, which is sodium potassium carbonate. Now this is basically mixed salt because in this there are two positive ions, that is basic radical. So it is a mixed salt. So from the given options, the acid salt is Na2HPO4. So the answer of this question will be Na2HPO4. Therefore, answer is Na2HPO4, that is disodium hydrogen phosphate. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.